Hello everyone, and welcome to this walkthrough of Microsoft's OnePPM. OnePPM is a pre-configured solution for Microsoft Project Online based on best practices and a proven deployment approach. With OnePPM, we get your organization up and running quickly so that you realize a return on your investment and get value from the Microsoft Project Online solution in the shortest time possible. Microsoft PPM helps you deliver on business strategies through high-impact outcomes. Whether your organizational PPM lifecycle is still under development or mature and robust, most PPM lifecycles easily map to three high-level phases: Ideate, Plan, and Execute. Ideate is the initiation phase in which ideas are collected and projects are proposed. The organization's business drivers capture the company strategy and guide ideation. Plan is the phase for high-level preliminary planning of the projects. Microsoft PPM helps prioritize the projects subject to budget and resourcing constraints, and once projects are approved, the solution supports detailed and realistic planning. Execute is the phase for project delivery through collaboration with the involved stakeholders. Built on Microsoft's cloud, Microsoft PPM weaves in cloud services that power the PPM solution with collaboration capabilities, advanced analytics that drive insights, and the ability to customize and extend the solution to meet the unique needs of your organization. Microsoft's OnePPM solution simplifies idea collection and provides a process for review and workflow of ideas as they transition to projects. For non-project type work, the Service Requests app provides an inexpensive solution for IT service management. Let's take a look at the OnePPM solution for ideation. The OnePPM Project Online interface provides a carousel of easy-to-access applications such as My Ideas, My Timesheets, projects, and even reporting and dashboards easily accessible to users of the application. In the Quick Launch area on the left of the screen, users are able to submit ideas for new demand management and service requests when they require help or assistance from the service desk. Executives and the project management office may use the OnePPM Report Pack's Project Requests dashboard to view new demand and new project requests submitted through the Ideation app. Within this project request interface, we see requests by priority, requests by alignment, and requests by type, including information about costs and benefits. To view high alignment requests and security type requests, simply click on the various areas of the chart to filter the views. Using the Ideation app, users are able to submit new project requests. In this view, we see requests that have been categorized such as new, approved, or on hold requests, along with a summary of information about these project requests. One of the requests, the Sinbell Project Automation request, has made it through to the review stage. And on this summary screen, we see the title, details, the type of project, additional information that's been captured about the request prioritization, and the financial benefits of delivering this project year over year. This is a greatly simplified approach, easily facilitating the input of new project requests and new demand by users from across the organization. The OnePPM Service Requests app provides an inexpensive solution for IT service management. Users are able to submit new requests to the IT service desk for work, and the IT service desk is then able to manage these requests through assigning them to various technicians to address, categorizing through urgency and priority, and tracking the progress against resolution of these tickets. As I demonstrated our ideation solution, you saw how it simplifies idea collection and provides a process for review and workflow of ideas as they transition to projects. Once a decision has been made to transition an idea to a project, further analysis and consideration may still be required. The development of a business case facilitates a better understanding of the value presented by this project proposal, so the collection of information related to the project's objectives, benefits, financials, and even a stakeholder analysis is important. Let's take a look at how OnePPM delivers this. Returning to the project request report, we can focus on the costs versus benefits chart, where executives and managers within the project management office can see high priority, high benefit projects and easily select them for delivery. Once transitioned from the ideation app, projects become visible in Project Online's Project Center. Here we see a selection of projects grouped together by their state, such as requested, approved, or in progress. These views are included with OnePPM, along with other views useful for filtering, grouping, and categorization of views relevant to the project management office. The OnePPM project timeline report shows information similar to the Project Center, but in a much easier to use interface. With one click, we can very quickly see newly requested projects in this dashboard view. Once a submission has been promoted from an idea to a project in Project Online, a project workspace such as this for the VoIP project is created. Within this interface, users are able to collect a variety of information related to the delivery lifecycle of these projects, such as objectives, benefits, and requirements. Information from throughout the project workspace is available in the OnePPM Report Pack's Project Status Report. Here we see objectives, benefits, and finally, requirements related to the delivery of this particular project. The Financials app, included with OnePPM, provides an interface for the collection of financial data related to the delivery of the project. Contract labor, software, and equipment costs are summarized on this screen. The Stakeholders app provides an interface for tracking stakeholders, their involvement, influence, and what their role is throughout the project lifecycle. Once again, the OnePPM Report Pack provides this information in a visual interface. Here we see the stakeholders and the financials reports, all part of the OnePPM Report Pack. As I demonstrated, the OnePPM solution facilitates the collection of detailed project information across a wide variety of areas. OnePPM enables teams to develop business cases and complete project planning with ease. Now we execute on the plan using Project Online with Microsoft's OnePPM solution to enable your project teams. Everyone from executives to team members needs to collaborate for success, and OnePPM supports this process of data collection and status reporting. Let's take a look at how OnePPM enables team success. During execution, the OnePPM portfolio dashboard exposes information about a portfolio of projects and the programs throughout their life cycle. The summary screen shows us high-level indicators about the status and health of these projects, and we're able to focus on any one of these single projects and click a link to open up the detailed page for that particular project. As we deliver on the VoIP Phones project, this project workspace allows us to track the schedule, documents, and issues and risks important to the successful delivery of the project. Here we see that risks are being tracked, assigned to users to manage, and we've captured exposure and impact information about these risks. Once again, the OnePPM Report Pack for project risks consolidates information about risks throughout the entire portfolio of projects that we're responsible for. OnePPM's Project Center views allow us to quickly identify projects with health issues, such as this VoIP Phones project, where we see red and yellow indicators indicating slippage or issues with the project. Drilling down into the project plan, we also see task status indicators identifying tasks which have slipped or are past their baseline commitment date. And finally, on the project status report, visible within the Project Center, we see an overall status of this project, including visual indicators, details, a description, and status that's been collected throughout the lifecycle of the delivery of this project. As I've demonstrated, Microsoft's OnePPM solution facilitates effective project delivery and execution on your corporate strategies. So now you've seen how Microsoft PPM and Microsoft's OnePPM solution can bring value and productivity quickly and effectively to your organization. Our ideation solution simplifies idea collection and provides a process for review and workflow of ideas as they transition to projects. Our planning tools enable teams to develop business cases and complete project planning with ease. And finally, during the execution phase of your projects, we provide comprehensive reporting solutions enabling effective communications for all stakeholders. For more information about Project Online, OnePPM, and other Wicrosoft solutions, visit our website at project-online.com or connect with us via email at nasales@wicrosoft.com.